Chapter 28, Scaling Your Business, from side hustle to full-time income and beyond. Starting an online business is one thing. Growing it to the point where it can replace your job and then take you far beyond that is another. Scaling isn't just about making more sales. It's about creating the systems, strategies, and team that allow you to grow without working yourself into the ground. It's about building something sustainable that can keep expanding without everything depending on you personally. The first stage of scaling often comes when you've proven your offer works. You've made consistent sales, you understand your audience, and you know your marketing channels. At this point, your job is to double down on what's already working. Too many entrepreneurs try to do more things when they should focus on doing more of the things that work. If one traffic channel is producing great results, increase your investment there before jumping into completely new ones. One of the fastest ways to scale is to improve your customer lifetime value. Instead of constantly chasing new customers, find ways to get your existing customers to buy more or more often. This could mean offering upsells, cross-sells, or creating a higher tier version of your product or service. If you sell an online course, you might add a premium coaching program. If you run an e-commerce store, you could introduce related products or bundles. Increasing LTV allows you to spend more to acquire each customer, which makes it easier to scale with paid ads. Another key to scaling is multiplying your reach. Once your marketing is profitable, you can reinvest your profits into ads, influencer partnerships, or content production to reach more people. This is where paid traffic really shines. If you have a proven funnel and you know your numbers, scaling your ad budget can quickly grow your revenue. The danger is scaling too quickly before your systems and team are ready, which can lead to drop balls and unhappy customers. Always make sure your operations can handle the growth before you pour on the gas. Systems and automation become even more important at this stage. The tasks that were manageable when you had 10 customers a month can become chaos when you have 100. This is where you lean heavily on documented processes, automation tools, and delegation. The less your business depends on you being involved in every step, the faster you can grow without burning out. Team building also becomes a bigger focus. You may have started with one or two freelancers, but scaling often requires dedicated roles: a marketing manager, a customer service lead, or an operations coordinator. Your job shifts from doing to leading. You'll spend more time setting goals, solving higher level problems, and keeping everyone aligned. Data becomes your best friend when scaling. You need to know your key metrics: cost per acquisition, conversion rates, profit margins, churn rate if you sell subscriptions, and customer lifetime value. Scaling without tracking these numbers is like driving a car with your eyes closed. The numbers will tell you where the bottlenecks are and where to focus your efforts for the biggest impacts. Finally, scaling isn't just about revenue. It's about profitability and lifestyle. A bigger business isn't automatically a better business if it eats up all your time and energy. As you grow, keep asking yourself, is this growth improving my life? Am I still working on things I enjoy? Am I building something that could run without me if I wanted to take a break? Sustainable scaling means building a business that's both financially rewarding and personally fulfilling. When you scale strategically, focusing on what works, improving customer value, expanding your reach, strengthening your systems, and growing your team, you can take your online business from a side hustle to a full-time income and eventually to a thriving company that gives you freedom, impact, and security.